Dear students, today we are going to discuss about how to connect two PCs in Cisco Packet Tracer. That is connecting and configuring two PCs. So for that, just I am going to use two PCs from the end devices. Select end devices and place two PC0 and PC1. Next step, we have to connect the two PC with the cables or the wires. Here we have different cables listed out. It's a start from the automatically choose connection type. Second one is the console. Third one is the copper straight line through, and fourth one is the copper crossover, and different cables is available for to connecting and configuring two PCs. Today we are going to use copper crossover. Just you click on that icon and select fast Ethernet 0 and PC1 select fast Ethernet 0. So this is the first step. We have placed two PCs and we have used copper crossover to connect the computers, right? So the next step, I am going to place a note. We have to set that IP address for both PC, that is PC0, it's a start from 10.1.1, and for PC1 10.1.2. So this is the IP address we are going to set for the computer, right? So the next step, so this is the physical configuration of how the devices we have to place and how to connect the two PCs. So the next step, we have to set that IP address for each PC. Just you click on the computer and go to config. Here we have to choose fast Ethernet 0. Just you select fast Ethernet 0, and for IPv4 address we have to give that PC0 IP address, that is it's 10.1.1.1. So this is the IP address we set for PC0, and subnet mask, just you click on the text box, it will become 255.0.0.0, that it's 10.1.1, it belongs to class A IP address, right? And the same step we have to do it for PC1. Just you click on the PC and select config, click on the fast Ethernet 0, and here we have to give the PC1 IP address 10.1.2, right? So this is the IP address we have set for PC1, and already the port is on. No need to click on that the port status. By default it's in on, right? Okay. Now we have placed the two PC and set that IP address. Just I am going to verify that whether we can able to communicate with two PCs. Just you can select the add simple PDU, that is a message. Just I have to click on the PC0 and my destination is PC1. So the connection is successful now. You can view that the same message, how it will be transferred from PC0 to PC1. Just you click on the simulation window and here you click the play button. So how fast the message is transferred from PC0 to PC1. Here in the simulation panel, all that information it will be displayed here. So the time and lost device, and here just you look at the status, who is the source, who is the destination, what type of protocol we are using, and what's the time. So everything it will be displayed in the status window, and the same thing we can verify in the simulation window, right? The next step, I am going to use the ping command to ensure that how the connection is communicated from PC0 to PC1 or PC1 to PC0. So for that, just you click on the PC0 and go to desktop, select command prompt, and here just I am going to give ping 10.1.2, right? So we are clicking on the PC0, but I am going to verify the status of PC1. That's why I have used 10.1.1.2, right? Just you enter. So if the connection is successful, definitely we will get the response from the PC1, right? Okay, just we are receiving the reply from PC1, and the IP address of PC1 is 10.1.2. The number of bytes we are transferring the data, it's 32. Time is 2 milliseconds, and TTL it's 128. So that is time to live. So how much time it's live during the data transmission or message when we communicate with the PC0 to PC1. Still the process is continuous. So once we completed the entire process, it will give the summary. Yes, now we got the report. So here the report, it shows that a ping statistics from 10.1.2, number of packets sent is 4, received is 4, lost is 0, and there is no loss, that is 0% loss, right? And approximate round trip time in milliseconds. So that measurement it take in the form of milliseconds. Here it's a minimum, a round trip time is 2 milliseconds and maximum is 2 milliseconds, average is 2 milliseconds, right? So this is the same way we can check for PC1, right? Just you click on the PC1 and go to desktop, select command prompt. Here now we have to use the first PC IP address, right? So ping 10.1.1.1, right? So previous the status we are verifying that how its message passed from PC0 to PC1, right? Now we are going to check the connection from PC1 to PC0, right? So in background that message it was transferred. Just you look at that screen. So how the message is transferred from PC0 to PC1, PC1 to PC0, right? So still it's running. Yes, a second time the message is received. Still we have to wait for one more message to get the statistical reports, right? Okay, now we got that the complete information how the message is passed from PC1 to PC0, right? Or how the response is received from PC0 to PC1, right? So this is the way we can connect and configure two PC in Cisco Packet Tracer, right? I hope this information is helpful to you all. Still, if you have any queries, you can post it in that comment window. Thank you. Thanks for watching.